Hello all, let's dive into the video. India's first 3D printed post office was inaugurated on 18 August 2023 in Bangaluru's Cambridge layout. It was built by Larsen and Toubro Limited with technological support from IIT Madras. It has a built-up area of 1,000 square feet and was constructed in just 43 days, 2 days ahead of schedule. It cost around 25 lakh rupees to build. The building is made of concrete and has a curved exterior. It is designed to be energy efficient and sustainable and is expected to set a precedent for the use of 3D printing technology in construction in India. It can reduce construction time by up to 50% and can reduce construction costs by up to 30%. It can create more complex and customized designs and can be used to build in remote areas where traditional construction methods are not feasible. It can be used to build disaster-resistant structures. Bangalore Central MP PC Mohan suggested that not just the postal department, but various government departments should integrate 3D printing technology for their buildings. Thank you.